on our way to Assisi, and we're going to see if that place has changed. We actually just drove through it years ago during our honeymoon, so we're going to see what Assisi's all about coming up.
I was there after our honeymoon 12 years ago, and I fell in love with it, and I just have always wanted Chris to see it. So we'll see if I'm still in love with it or if it's changed a lot as well.
Yeah, we'll see. So on our way to Assisi, we are going to stop off at Montepulciano to do some wine tasting because it's on the way, and you know, why not?
And you don't eat meat.
Right.
Shame on you, you are in Tuscany.
I used to eat meat.
We actually don't eat cheese, but we will.
Yes, at least,
We have
yes,
to.
please, please.
yeah.
Please. Also because he would like going to Rome and refusing to see the Pope.
Right,
No,
right.
it's a way to get in touch with our culture. So
Right,
if you
right,
don't
right.
have any restriction due to religion
Right.
or
Yeah.
to special diet need, and it's just something connected to a philosophy, I would strongly recommend, at least with cheese, to have an exception. Simply because here we are in the most beautiful place of the world, and this is a trick of the nature. So food and wine for us is a unicum. So it's also funny that there is no a word connected both, but probably for us is cibo. Cibo food connects the idea of wine, because for us wine is an alimentum and has to be combined with food. Thank you for trusting me. And as of today we have 21 hectares and produce 50,000 bottles per year, which is a small amount. Why is so strongly connected with our everyday life.
That's Luigi right there. He's actually the owner of this winery. All right, now we're gonna try some. Now, we normally don't eat cheese because we're vegan, but we're gonna give an exception to try out this wine here. You ready for this, Robin?
Yeah, very excited. It's awesome.
Trendy wine of summer. This is 100% Sangiovese.
I see people drinking it all the time.
Pink
Rosé.
wine.
Oh,
Right,
nice.
it's a rosé. So go ahead and give it a try. What do you think?
Very good.
Very good.
Yes, very tasty.
Thank you so much.
Grazie a voi, grazie mille. My pleasure to have you had here.
Lots of awesome wine. This was one awesome winery. On leaving the winery, we noticed, I didn't notice this before, those are olive trees. But you can't really eat those olives. They're really hard, and they're really made for making olive oil as opposed for eating. It's a lot of grapes. There are the grapes. You never know what you're gonna see when you're just driving around Italy. Just beautiful up there. This place is awesome. One cool thing about just driving around and checking out new places is you could just find some place and stop. And we found this place and we're gonna check it out.
So we're going to Rome and doing the whole, like we're blitzing Italy with them.
Yeah.
And then we're taking our time and I want to come back to Tuscany just for 2 nights so that one day we can do a bike trip.
Yeah.
So are you riding in this area today?
Yeah. We
rode here from...
I don't know where our hotel is, to be honest with you, but
Right.
we went up to Pienza, which is like 14K from where we are, and then we biked here straight, and that was another 14K, but there was another option, it was like 28, I think, and then we biked from here back to our hotel.
So what's it like in this heat?
Honestly, it's not as bad as you think. I think because you have the breeze
Right.
the bike,
Yeah.
so like, and you get, you know, the uphill sucks, but you get the downhill, so it's really good.
After the drone footage of that beautiful church and the area around here, we are heading to a cheese place, even though we're vegan, but we want to check it out. That was the cheese that we actually ate at the vineyard that we are at, and now we're gonna go there, and you can see the road is like a little bit of a roller coaster, but pretty cool. Right in front of me is a cemetery, and hopefully we'll get there. So it's just beautiful country here. It's amazing. It's just fun just to drive around and find new places that we've never seen before. The thing about here is you never know, you're just gonna hit a gravel or dirt road. Here we go. All right, we're leaving Montepulciano and we are heading to Assisi. Heading to Montepulciano Center.
7 buildings connected together underground, and after the visit we offered a free wine test with all the wine of my family farm.
All right, we are in the wine cellar of an old wine cellar of a winery in Montepulciano. There's a lot of barrels back there. It's weird, it looks like people throw money in this little well. You can see it all down there. Some of the stuff looks pretty scary. Interesting clock. Not sure what that is up there. Pretty interesting. Another awesome structure up there. Well, we're done with Montepulciano. Now we're heading to Assisi. Hey gooses, what are you doing there? Hey gooses. And ducks, I think. Well, it's storming a little bit. We hope that this rain goes away by the time we hit Assisi, because it's not going to be fun to go walk around Assisi if it's pouring out. So if you could see that town in front of us, that is Assisi, but it's so thunderstormy right now and so dark that I'm not sure how well this is going to come out. That is one big church up there. You see it here? That is one big church. So there's a good chance we're just going to show you Assisi from the car. Well, it looks like we're punting on Assisi. The rain's just not going to let up, so we're going to head off to Rome.